What is up guys, bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous, if not the most famous of all tire brands that is headquartered in France. Yes, arguably some of the best tires are made by this brand. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of this French brand? There is going to be two different ways. There would be the English or American, who say Michelin. But in French we do not pronounce it this way, so if you want to sound it more French or more genuine, we would say Michelin tires. Michelin tires, but it'd be fine to say Michelin tires. Here are French car brand pronunciation videos if you're interested in on that topic. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.